Hello all, I hope you like my videos, whatever we are learning together, and it's a great, joyful journey throughout the learnings. And I hope you search for different sources and you will be getting know about the solution that, okay, this is what I can do, right? So in this tutorial, we are going to learn about more but with a specific function. Like if I press the cursor on the screen and on the screen on the windows, I will get my shapes, whatever the shapes I have. So how to do that? So let me share my screen with all of you to show that. So this is our previous function, like previous project. I'll just delete these two commands. And this is the basic thing that we usually follow for drawing the shapes. Now, the next part that I'm going to do is that I will make a list of the circle. Actually, I will show you what I'm going to make is, suppose this is your window, and on the window, I will create the circles. Sorry, it's not circle. I will create the circle on the window. Like when I click on the here, I will create circle. When I click here, I will create circle. Here, circle. Here, circle. Means wherever on the window, I will create the circle when I click on the windows. That's what I want. So for this, what steps we require? First thing is I will create one blank list where I can have the value of my circle, like circle position. So I will write a blank, like I will write the list name as circle position is equals to, and I create the list as a blank list. Now, after this, I will create the circle radius. Like I'm deciding the circle radius. So I will simply write circle radius, and the circle radius, I'm giving it as 60. Okay. Now, after giving the circle radius, I will give the circle color. So I will set the color also. So here I will write the variable name color, and the color of the circle I'm setting it up as 00255. Okay. After creating the circle, I will run this code as true. Like as in initially I told you, when I'm creating a variable, I'm just creating a variable run and I'm making it as true. Means the condition that I have set up inside the while loop, that should be true. But once it is false, everything will be closed. Okay. That's what we have learned previously. Here I set run as true, and now I will create my loop, a while loop. So I will write while run, means while run whatever I'm doing, so it will be running. I'm just giving the event actually from where the event you receive. So I have the function pygame.event.get in the pygame. Okay, so I will simply write for event. I will put for loop. So for event in pygame dot event dot get and round bracket. So this is what I want as a for loop. So for event in pygame dot event dot get. Now I will put the if conditional statement inside this for loop. So I will put, like you will put the complete indentation. Okay, if you're not taking, then this maybe you'll be in trouble. So I will write type is equals to quit run false, as we did already previously this thing, and I have explained you also. Now the next thing is elif. What happened if this is not happening? Then I will write elif. Elif means we used to write elif of giving another condition, but make sure it should be in line of if only. So elif, I'm giving a condition event dot type is equals to mouse button down, MOUSE. You will write in capital mouse button down, then position equals to event dot pose. Press enter. Circle dot position dot append position. This much is done. Now, I will use the loop for the iteration, means the something is going to happen again and again, that we call iteration. And I will come out of this for loop, and I'm taking the for loop for the position. Okay, so I will write for position in circle position. So for position in circle position, Pygame dot draw dot circle window color. Actually, I made the parameters, so that's why I'm not writing. I'm simply writing down all the variables that I have made previously. Circle radius. And the last is that Pygame display dot update. Okay, here I just want to check my for loop. What is the problem? So the problem is here. For event, you will make a space in Pygame dot event dot get. That's fine. Now what's happening? If type is quit, it's false. Let me make a space. Undefined mouse button down. Let me write as mouse button down. Okay, let's see. Okay. I got the error. First of all, because you're in Pygame, so you will call it as pygame.quit. Here also, you will call it as pygame dot mouse button down. Here, see, my variable has this like circle position, and your variable will be like this, and it's coming like this. Okay. So yeah, I think it's absolutely fine. Now, if I run this code and let's see what will happen. So if I go to the output while running, so here I'm running the command, like my command is running. If I go to output, you will see one thing. I click, nothing is coming. And when I click on cross, then I made actually 3 circles. It's coming over here. How and why? Because I am updating my window after doing everything. So what I'm going to do, I will update my window in line number 5. I will update my window for this particular event as well. Okay, then only it will come. So if I run the code and if I go the output, my window is updated. Now, when I click on this, then I will get one circle over there. Let's do the click. See, I got the circle. I did second click, I got the circle. I did third click, I got the circle, and so on. So The more I click, the more I get the circle onto the screen, right? And now I will quit. That's it. So this is all about of making objects with a particular event. And yeah, I hope most of you is in trouble, like why we use this append part. Append is actually, of drawing the things after another. Okay, because here I create one list of circle position, right? And when I click, I decide the position of the circle and it will be adding the circle inside the list. And because I'm giving append, so one circle, then it will come another circle, it will come another circle, kind of. It's happening like this. So I hope you like this video and let's wait for the another session. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.